And that's what we are making today, a tuna salad sandwich that's very tasty. So let's get started. What do I have? I have celery sticks, I have 3 cans of tuna, I have half white onion, and then I have 3 tablespoons of mayo and some regular mustard that you use for hot dogs. I have some sweet peppers. I have some breadcrumbs just in case we need to form up the mixture a little. This is coleslaw, 1 cup shredded cabbage and carrots. And let's dice those celery sticks. Smells so good. Okay. Chop, 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 chop. Onion is done. Knife is cutting like butter. Let's cut this pepper, serrano pepper. Leave one for later. That's it. Done. Be careful with peppers and knives. Okay, half lemon juice. Okay guys, so that's enough for chopping. जो कुछ हमने chop करना था हमने कर लिया है. So what I'm going to do now is to take a big bowl and I'm going to drop everything in it. This recipe is so good. You get to have all those fresh ingredients and it smells good. It's yummy, it's tasty, it's healthy, you know. So that kind of, if you see some big pieces, just chop them. And those are the sweet peppers. Make sure you don't add water or oil from that tuna. At least that's what I'm doing. I don't want the mixture to be too loose. And 2 teaspoons of mustard. 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. This is vegan mayo. You can use the regular one if you like. And mix, mix, mix. So now if you think it's loose, अगर आपका ख्याल है कि इसमें मॉइस्चर ज़्यादा है, ये नरम है, so it's up to you. आप उसके अंदर थोड़े से bread crumbs जो हैं वो drop कर सकते हैं. It's optional. You can drop some bread crumbs in it. ठीक है? Salt, pepper or paprika is totally optional. It's up to you. Add a little bit of breadcrumbs and let them absorb the moisture. Going to be making salad with some cucumbers and some radish, so let's just slice them up. It's so good. All those fresh ingredients are making me so hungry. Some fresh radish. If you want to sprinkle salt over it, cut the bread and fill it up with tuna salad. There you go. Put a generous amount. काफ़ी सारा डालें ताकि आपको मज़ा भी आए. Yes, if you want to put cheese on top of it, it's up to you. You can add some provolone or whatever cheese that you prefer. You can add it, and there you go. Another one ready. Bismillah. I don't know if you can see colors are good or not, but my food is ready. Bismillah kara. So guys, my tuna salad sandwich is ready, and so is my salad. And so is my plate. I'm about to eat. मेरा ख्याल है कि आप लोगों को भी अच्छा लगा होगा मेरा healthy खाना. तो फिर मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह. So yes guys, you can eat healthy. It's not tough to make it. Yeah, this is my plate. So except for the bread, everything else is nice. It's kind of healthy. I'm not counting calories. That's my cucumber and radish salad with some lemon slices on it. This is my platter for tuna sandwiches. I made them for 4 people and I'm making my plate already. Right guys? And this is my plate. So I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to share, comment, subscribe. Please let me know how I'm doing. Thank you very much. I will see you guys soon with another quick yummy kind of healthy recipe. So until then, मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए. I'll see you soon. Bye. Take care. I have some sweet peppers. I have some breadcrumbs just in case we need to form up the mixture a little bit. And then I have cabbage and carrots.